So today we have an integral involving an unknown function, and the only thing we know about the function is that f of x multiplied by f of minus x equals 1. So the first step here is to make a substitution with u equals minus x, which means that du equals minus dx, or minus du equals dx. Now we're going to substitute minus u equals x into this equation, which gives us the integral of 1 over f of minus u plus 1 with respect to u. Now our limits are just going to be the negative of these limits, so minus minus 1 is 1, and minus 1 is just minus 1, and now we need to remember that it's minus du, so we're just going to put a negative in front. Now, we know that we can flip the limits in an integral if we multiply by minus 1, so we can just cancel out this minus 1 and flip the limits, giving us this integral. Now, we're going to use the fact that f of minus x is 1 over f of x and plug that in here. So we now have the integral from minus 1 to 1 of 1 over f of u plus 1 with respect to u. We're now going to multiply this fraction by f of u over f of u, which gives us this. Now, what we can do here is we can simply add 1 and subtract 1 from the denominator, as it's the same as doing nothing. And now we're going to split this into two separate integrals. So the first integral is going to be f of u plus 1 over f of u plus 1 with respect to u. And the second integral, we're going to do minus for this minus 1 multiplied by the integral of 1 over f of u plus 1 with respect to u. Now, we know that this is the same as our original integral. So if we just denote this I, then we can say that this is the integral from minus 1 to 1 of this, which is just 1, because we're dividing something by itself. So the integral from minus 1 to 1 du minus I equals I. Now the integral from minus 1 to 1 of du would be u bounded from minus 1 to 1, subtract I equals I. Now this gives us 2 minus I equals I. So 2 is 2i, therefore I equals 1. And that is our original integral. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or video suggestions, leave them in the comments below. And if you want to see more content like this, subscribe now.